Welcome to RP Lifestyle YouTube channel. Hello and welcome to our video about spirulina, the superfood that's been gaining popularity in recent years. Spirulina is a type of blue-green algae that's packed with nutrients and is considered to be one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. In this video, we'll be talking about the benefits of spirulina, how it's grown, and how you can incorporate it into your diet. What is spirulina? Spirulina is a type of blue-green algae that grows in both fresh and salt water. It's been used for centuries as a food source by various cultures, including the Aztecs and the Kanembu people of Africa. Spirulina is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need. It's also a good source of vitamins and minerals, including iron, magnesium, and B vitamins. How spirulina is grown. Spirulina is typically grown in large, shallow ponds or tanks. The algae is grown in a nutrient-rich medium, usually a mix of water and minerals. The algae is then harvested, dried, and packaged for consumption. The benefits of spirulina. Spirulina has a wide range of health benefits, thanks to its impressive nutrient profile. Here are just a few of the benefits of spirulina. High in protein. Spirulina is one of the best sources of plant-based protein available. In fact, it's considered a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need. Just 1 tablespoon of spirulina contains around 4 grams of protein. This makes it an excellent addition to a vegan or vegetarian diet, or for anyone looking to increase their protein intake. Powerful antioxidant. Spirulina is loaded with antioxidants that can help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. One of these antioxidants is called phycocyanin, which gives spirulina its distinctive blue-green color. Phycocyanin has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Immune system booster. Spirulina has been shown to have immune-boosting properties. It contains a high concentration of polysaccharides, which are complex sugars that can help stimulate the immune system. This makes spirulina a great natural remedy for fighting off infections and supporting overall immune function. Improves gut health. Spirulina is also great for gut health. It contains prebiotics, which are compounds that feed the good bacteria in our gut. This can help improve digestion and nutrient absorption. Additionally, spirulina has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce gut inflammation and improve overall gut health. May help lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Spirulina has been shown to have blood pressure lowering effects in some studies. It's thought that this may be due to its high concentration of phycocyanin, which can help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow. Reduces inflammation. Spirulina contains antioxidants, including beta-carotene and phycocyanin, which can help to reduce inflammation in the body. Lowers cholesterol. Studies have shown that spirulina can help to lower LDL cholesterol levels, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. How to incorporate spirulina into your diet. Spirulina is available in powder form, as well as in capsules and tablets. Here are a few ways you can incorporate spirulina into your diet. Smoothies. One of the easiest ways to incorporate spirulina into your diet is by adding it to your favorite smoothies. Simply blend some fresh or frozen fruits with a handful of spinach, a scoop of spirulina powder, and some liquid like almond milk or coconut water. The spirulina will give your smoothie a vibrant green color and a boost of nutrition. Salads. Another way to use spirulina is by sprinkling it over your salads. You can mix it with some olive oil and lemon juice to make a healthy dressing, or simply sprinkle it over your greens. Spirulina has a slightly nutty taste that pairs well with salads and other savory dishes. Energy balls. If you like to snack on the go, try making some energy balls with spirulina. Mix some dates, nuts, seeds, and spirulina powder in a food processor until you get a sticky dough. Roll the dough into small balls and store them in the fridge for a quick and healthy snack. Pasta dishes. You can also add spirulina to your pasta dishes for a pop of color and nutrition. Simply mix some spirulina powder with cooked pasta and your favorite sauce. You can also add some veggies like cherry tomatoes or spinach to make it even more nutritious. Baked goods. Believe it or not, you can even use spirulina in your baked goods. Add a teaspoon or 2 of spirulina powder to your muffin or pancake batter for a fun and colorful twist. Spirulina is a great alternative to artificial food coloring, and it won't affect the taste of your baked goods.
So there you have it, the many benefits of spirulina and how you can easily incorporate it into your diet. With its impressive nutrient profile, it's no wonder that spirulina is becoming such a popular superfood.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.